Welcome to my Unity Garden. I'm Stephanie Bandozik, a Reiki healer and positive energy coach, and I want to help you to reduce stress and increase energy through intentional living. Hey everybody, it's time for Unity Garden Year 2. I am so excited. This is one of the best things that came out of the last year for me was starting the Unity Garden last year, and just loved it. Can't wait to do it again. I am really hoping that these are the two hostas that I transplanted last year. Hostas are actually edible, especially when they're young and new and the leaves are fresh and tender. So they were way underneath my beautiful lilac bush. I love lilacs. Lilacs are my favorite flower, my favorite smell of a flower in the world. So they were right underneath those lilac bushes, so I transplanted them over here where I could actually get to them to hopefully eat them. So I hope this is them. This is where I put them, and there are two of them and they look alike. And again, new gardener here, so if you think this looks like a hosta, I would love to know. I'm so happy my lilacs are blooming. Not only are they beautiful, they have a wonderful smell, and they're also edible. Spruce isn't quite ready yet, but pretty soon I'll be able to make water tincture out of the spruce tips. So I can't wait. All these little baby shoots will become spruce tips pretty soon. They'll be light green, bright green, and very soft. And cut those tips off, and they are great in food and drinks and medicine. I am thrilled to see that my chives have spread. A friend of mine gave me a bunch of chives last year, and they've spread all over. I love it. It's one of my favorite herbs. I'm gonna make oils and vinegars for salad dressing. I also love it with pasta. Pasta with tomatoes and potatoes and tomatoes with chives. Some of my favorite combinations. So from the one bunch of chives that my friend gave me last year, I am so excited to see that I have little baby chives sprouting up all over. They have really Who loves lemon balm? I'm so excited to see my lemon balm coming up. It has a great lemony taste. It's been here a couple years longer than the Unity Garden. A friend suggested it a couple years ago to me, and I've been enjoying it ever since. It's great as a tea in hot water, great in cold water, great in iced tea. I've got 2 lemon balm plants, and I'm so excited that they're coming back. Okay, so yes, admittedly, these flowers are very pretty, but I want a practical garden. I want things I can eat and use medicinally, and since these are not edible, they have got to go. Okay, so cleaning up the garden, getting ready to plant, starting with peas, and I have no use for these flowers, but my first step was to get as many of these flowers out with the bulb as I could, because even though they're not for me, I like things I can eat or use medicinally, at least topically. Someone who likes to garden flowers will enjoy these. So they're still little flower people, and even though I don't want them in my garden, someone will want them. So I tried my best to get as many of the flowers out gently as I could so someone else can enjoy them. Step 1. I didn't have super great luck composting last year, but I think I needed to add more browns to go with my greens. So this year I'm hoping if I am paying closer attention to the mix and the ratio of brown matter to green matter, I'll have better luck composting. I plant by the signs using the phases of the moon, so I'm not actually going to put any seeds in the ground until after the Aries new moon on Sunday, April 11th at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time because I'm in New York. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you next time.